Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm gonna be guiding you through how to change your profile picture on Twitch. To change your profile picture on your Twitch account, first of all, open up the Twitch application on your device and log in. Once logged in, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. From your profile section, go ahead and tap on Edit Profile. Now click the pencil icon right next to profile picture, and then you can either take a picture from your device's camera by tapping on Take Photo, or you can choose an existing picture by tapping Choose Existing Photo and select a picture from your device's camera roll. Now select the picture, zoom in or zoom out, and choose how you want it to appear on your profile and click Choose at the bottom right. After a few seconds, you will then be able to see your profile picture displayed on the screen at the top. Click on Done at the top right to save the change, and that is it. That's how you change your profile picture on Twitch. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, comment and subscribe for more helpful Twitch tutorials. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.